Before even we begin, I would like to give a props for the people who did it before. Let's give them flowers. Jennifer Lawrence and Josh Hutcherson, girl played by Liam Hemsworth. There's so many of them. There's Philip, Brisney Snow, Ali, Jeffrey Wright, Enrica. There's so many of them. Let's look at the new people this episode. We have Rachel Zegler, Hunter Schafer, Viola Davis. You already know Viola Davis. Peter Dinklage. You already know him. I fell in love with this guy in Game of Thrones. I love this guy. Do you understand? The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes 2023 trailer. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Look at the snakes and bird in it. Oh, god damn, this is gonna be a greatness. Landscape, baby.
I am honored to introduce to you the creator of the Hunger Games themselves.
Oof, this woman.
Casca Highbottom.
Nah. Abigail's a victor. Of course,
I
indeed.
summoned you all here for the 10th annual reaping ceremony, in which we choose 2 children from each district to fight to the death in the Hunger Games.
From District 12, Lucy Gray Bear.
She's loving that.
There has been a change this year. As a mentor, Mr. Snow, your role is to turn these children into spectacles, not survivors.
What does my mentor do besides bring me roses?
I do my best to take care of you.
That's what they all say, bro.
Start by thinking I can actually win.
I'm Lucky Flickerman, first ever host of the Hunger Games.
Enjoy the show.
5, 4,
Enjoy the show.
3, 2.
Enjoy the show.
Run.
Enjoy the show.
No.
What happens in there, fueled with the terror of becoming prey. See how quickly we become predators? See how quickly civilization disappears?
There's a natural goodness built into us all. We can step across that line into evil, or not.
You hear that, boy? It's the sound of snow falling.
Okay.
How wonderful that we all get to be here for someone's final performance.
It's not just about winning.
Everything is about
But winning.
You're monsters! All of you!
Legend. Beautiful.
It's the things we love
Those are dangerous snakes.
that destroy us.
November 17th coming up. Listen, we're gonna watch that again. We're gonna watch it again. I know. Jax, why are we doing this? Because probably missed something. You know what I'm saying? And let's go. Let's just go watch it again, guys. Please bear with me. Bear with me. Oof. Oh, I'm loving that panning.
I am honored to introduce to you the creator of...
Look at Valo's face. Look at her face, bro. She's like, there's no soul. It's like, there's no soul. She looks like she's gonna play a big part in this. Of course she is. She's a big actress. She would have taken this role if she wasn't.
The Hunger Games themselves, Dean Casca Highbottom.
Indeed.
I have summoned you all here for the 10th annual reaping ceremony, in which we choose 2 children from each district to fight to the death in the Hunger Games.
From District 12, Lucy Gray Bear.
I'm gonna play this role.
There has been a change this year. As a mentor, Mr. Snow, your role is to turn these children into spectacles.
So he's the advisor. I mean,
What does my mentor do besides
the
bring me
mentor,
roses?
basically.
I do my best to take care of you.
As did the Woody.
Heard me in that arena. Start by thinking I can actually win.
Every circle's a begin.
I'm Lucky Flickerman, first ever host of the Hunger Games.
Enjoy the show.
5, 4,
Enjoy the show.
3, 2.
Enjoy the show.
Oh, I'm loving that.
Enjoy the show.
What happens in there?
But this, remember I kept saying to her, like, I can no
happens
way.
in there.
Look at her face, bro. Look at her. Are you looking up? Damn.
Fueled with the terror of becoming prey.
Pray, baby, run.
See how quickly we become predator?
Oof.
See how quickly civilization disappears?
Oof.
There's a natural goodness built into us all. We can step across that line into evil, or not.
Wait a minute. He changed.
You
No.
hear that, boy?
See, look, does him look the same as that other guy holding the gun? Hold on. Look at his chick, look at his chick, and let's go back here. Oh man, what did I do? Oh no, he does look the same. Guys, let me know if they actually the same person. It seems like I don't know. I don't want to make speculations. I don't want to do it. Let's go.
It's the sound of snow.
Oh, he's one of my favorite actors. Especially when I was watching, what's the thing? Game of Thrones, man. This guy, everyone under this guy, bruv. But he came on top.
Falling. Falling. It's the sound of snow.
Beauty.
How wonderful that we all get to be here for someone's final performance.
It's not just about winning.
Everything is about winning.
The monsters! All of you!
Ooh-wee.
It's not just about winning.
Everything is about winning.
The monsters! All of you!
It's the things we love most that destroy us.
Ouch. Peter Dinklage. Listen, this guy kills every role he ever plays in. This guy is a genius. He embodied every role he ever plays. Is like, I'm looking forward to see him in this world now. Let me know, guys, what you think. Let me know if I'm wrong saying this, man. I know Rachel. I've seen Rachel some of the things. She's actually good. Obviously, she's playing as Lucy Gray. I know Nina's going to be like heartbroken. Our daughter's sleeping, so mother's do it. I know she's going to be heartbroken when she sees I'm sorry, baby. We got to do this because at the moment here, we are 5 a.m. in UK. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in and we'll see you soon. Peace.